So Lenge, welcome back to the Essential English Grammar Lesson with Kizom. Tharing anso lopsin shipchu shapke pa detai di nanglo la so thiwa len khande ro ji kan ligior le churo di nanglo ni do you know where la ne khol yo ba ha ku yo la ke cha dita di khari banga ha ku me la dang ro di kan la e dil chik si ba ina do you know where Paula is Paula khwa yo ba chang ha ku yo la churo mo ke cha thi do di la du cham bolang an chu ki where is Paula? Paula kawa yore le jorwa. Di manzuki do you know le di lugwa regina manzuki is di karche do miti ki kyablo noun ki kyablo le tu doara. Do you know where Paula is re mator terwa? Do you know where is Paula le ni dus le marta? Ani len jap tu sambo yimba ine I know where Paula is. Len jap tu I know where is Paula malawa che kang la phrase I know I don't know can you tell me do you know le pa ina subject churwa odi ming digi noun digi jela helping verb di sha go ya do churta de chikta ra who are those people pagi min dige suris how old is Linda Linda lo khajuris what time is it tanda chuju khajuretus where can I go nga khwa do chogris how much is this camera? The camera de gumo kajuris. When are you going away? Che khadu drains. Where have they gone? Kunzo kawa doris. What was Anne wearing? Anne kari kyunde du le chorwa. Dige keja kaptu tigidwa. Nganzu WH ki tik chik ani helping verb ani nganzu ki noun phrase kari imba ini andi shagdwa. Ta kisi do you know? Can you tell me? I know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't remember. Do you know that? Can you tell me ladi tiwache? I know, I don't know, I don't remember ladi lengyadang do shadeura. Dige tsile origina helping verb the last lirda. Penjashina, do you know who those people are? Can you tell me how old Linda is? Do you know what time is it? I know where I can go. Nga khwa dogo yeme nga hagu yus. I don't know how much this camera is. The camera di gumo khaju yemba nga hagu miss. I don't remember when you are going away. Chirang khaju dua yemba nga hagu miss. Do you know where they have gone? Kunzo khwa do yemba kya hagu yus. And can you tell me what Anne was wearing? Anne kari kyun de me kyung ala tu sarwa la chorwa. Dila du WH ni go chu ko regina keja de ngan ju ki tense nang la jang yo na shi khap tu the che. Ta de gang la phrase chigle o regina do you know don't you know can you tell me the deliberation helping verb de thama la legi dwara de che. Next thiwa thidu questions with do does did the past simple do does the present simple re ro. Tendele pa ina where does he live? Ko kwa digre la the present simple ki thiwa thidara. Do you know where he lives? Ta chrang ha ku gi wala du he lives la di dela does the nanglo la es the lives wala first form of verb chiku sharwa. Ta di nanglo la do you chrang ha ku gi wala ke cha di du he ki gyablo la singular inza est ni ko chajik di es kyap ko di chagorda. Ta dejisina how do aeroplanes fly? Aeroplane khande phirgiore. What does Jane want? Jane la khare goyoris. Why did she go home? Monang la khare chini doris. Where did I put the key? Nyegi timi khawa share. Tige keja didwara. Ta kisi taya do you know? I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know. La do yimba ina an khande chagi dushina ra. Do you know how aeroplanes fly? Aeroplane khande phirgiore me ke hagu yowa la do. I don't know what Jane wants. Jane la khari go me nga ha ku me le chorwa. I don't remember why she went home. Mo nang khar chin drawing ba nga ha ku mes. I know where I put the key. Ni gi dimi kho sha ba ha ku yu le chorwa. Hilap ti keja khap tu thidu kharre do does la tane chajik la first form of verb sha go do dusrang sha go do yana s kya do yana es kya go yu me le ta chorwa. Ta kisi ra digi gang la do you know don't you know like it's the leporajina manzo kharla na first form of verb dimang chwa tinde rang do sha sha do jor tarwa ta de na I don't know nga ha ku me ta jane michi ginza gyablo la s aeroplanes plural inza de la s me di trodang di tu sto cha di orta. Okay, see questions beginning is do can ta nganzugi how wh ni go zu penja how what why where lana len de ringbu roju yorwa ta helping verb ni go zu na do Is can rola original answer the yes yang na no imbarwa. Is Jack at home? Jack nang la dewes. Have they got a car? Kunzo la motor yorwes. Can Brian swim? Brian swim chetugrwes. Do they live near here? Kunzo de la di yorwes. Did anybody see you? Michi kirang tongswe. Rwa. The nang la answer yes the no romat mindora. Ineya, do you know if Jack is at home? Dus la ne andigorda. I don't know if lana integrate whether lana integrate whether Jack is at home. I don't know whether they have got a car. Nga kung me le joro kunzo la yue me le de. Do you know if Brian can swim? Brian chugeshin yu akura ha gu yue wes, right? I don't know whether they live near here. Kuzo de di yue me nga ha kung me le joro di lengya dang derda. Dang zu jongzen dige chige in right? Answer these questions with I don't know where, when, the I don't know lab, and where, kawa, when, kadu, why, 가르치는 라야 chikla 고yor다. 당보디 임바 있는 군족이 가르라도 당보디 임바 있나 have your friends gone home? 치랑 로까도 나온 로사 swelladu. I don't know where they have gone. 군족 고알 조엔 방아 하고 메일 수아라. 근데도 is Kate in her office? Kate morangi office le dobe le jorwa. Tadi nangan zo kare lago yore answer di I don't know. I don't know where kalana the option now where te doara where Kate is. Kate kwayo anga hagu miss. Next. Is the castle very old? Di podang do di ningba pe reves. Ani ngan zo kala wore how old le how le I don't know how old it is. Ra how old le de la ra. Will Paula be here soon? Paula del liro la du. Yopo liro la du. I don't know when Paula will be here. Ani next ni de lengi so inang le chiroshi. The next. Complete the sentences. Diyan anzo tier terwa. How do aeroplanes fly? Namdu kandi pirgi rele dengan zogi tiwa shemba tidang chikandi yore. Do you know how aeroplanes fly? Aeroplane kandi pirgi yome cho hagu yowe lede. Next, where does Susan work? Susan kwa lega chigi yores. I don't know where Susan works. Esti goyorwa. What did Peter say? Peter ki kare lapsos. I don't remember what did laswa past simple ra what Peter said. Why did he go home early? I don't know why he went left went home early. And next next, which is right? Do you know what time is it? What time it is? It is. Next, why are you or why you are going away? Why are you? Next, I don't know where they are or where are they or where they are going. I don't know where they are they? Where are they going? Next, can you tell me where is the museum? Where the museum is? Where the museum is. Next, next, write questions with do you know if have they got a cat? Do you know if they have got a cat? Sorry, car. Are you married? The chance are they married? Do you know if they are married? And are they next? Does Sue know Bill? Bill gisu ngoshingo do you know if Sue knows Bill? Tenda chine lenge so next ni de nangle chirochi. Next. Right questions beginning. Do you know what does Anne want? Do you know what Anne wants? Where is Paul? Do you know where Paul is? Is she working today? Do you know if she is working today? Next, what time does she start work? Do you know what time she starts work? Next, are the shops open tomorrow? Do you know if the shops are open tomorrow? Next, use your own ideas to complete the sentences. Do you know why the bus was late? Bus late US. Do you know what time is it? US. Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is? I don't know what does it mean? Do you know if they have an extra key? Die mit Theorie hagu US. Das ist nicht, und das sind der Schari